Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Realme C67 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, in the first step we must open Settings application. In it we click on our connection device, not connection device, sorry my bad, first network and internet, and there mobile network. In it we press on our SIM card and there we scroll down to our mobile data warming and limit, and there we can set it. We can set when our sales start, maybe first day of each month. There we can set turn on data warming and we can custom it in gigabytes, megabytes. Maybe we set for gigabytes set, and after that we can set daily data usage limit, confirm by OK, switch on, and we can custom it also. Maybe 1 gigabyte we set. And the last option, monthly data usage limit, we can turn on it by switch, confirm by OK, and there we can set it, maybe 10 gigabytes we set. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.